Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw from the bag, only way. Start by opening the bag, draining excess liquid, and emptying the slaw into a large bowl. This prevents a watery final salad. Add a light pinch of salt to wake up the cabbage flavors, then measure and mix dressing gradually to control creaminess. Toss gently so the cabbage stays crisp and chill for at least 15 minutes before serving. Choose a dressing that matches your mood and meal. A simple mayo dressing is creamy and comforting, while yogurt keeps things lighter and tangy. Combine dressing ingredients in a small bowl, whisk until smooth, and taste for balance. Add 1 teaspoon sugar or a squeeze of lemon if it needs brightness. Start with a modest amount, mix into the slaw, and add more as needed so you don't overdress the salad. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful recipes and tips. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: I often use the Owala water bottle while prepping in the kitchen because it keeps drinks cold and prevents spills, which is handy with raw veggies around. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Enhance bagged coleslaw by adding small amounts of complementary ingredients that boost texture and flavor without overwhelming the base. Try shredded carrot, sliced scallions, chopped apple, or a handful of seeds for crunch. Keep ratios gentle so the cabbage remains the star. Mix add-ins in after your initial toss so you can adjust quantities, and remember to taste as you go to achieve a balanced, flavorful salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.